My people, what is up? This is the Internet Income Ninja back with another amazing video to make money online. I am inviting you at this point in time to go ahead, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share this video with everyone you know, just like that. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Today's video is about making money online, as is the case with every video that we produce, but today we're going to be looking at a tool, okay? And this tool brings magic in action, okay? It's called Copy.ai, and it is actually a website that if you are someone who's making money in the content creation space, you should look at getting. Okay? Now, one of the biggest issues for creators is one, ideas, and two, writing copy. Whether it is that you run an e-commerce store, whether it is that you have a website, whether it is that you have products, services, copy has been a major issue for a lot of people, and especially if you are a one-man, two-man, three-man team. You don't have, not that you don't have, but you at this point in time aren't willing to invest in having a copywriter on staff. You can actually use Copy.ai. Okay, it's faster, it's fresher, and it's better copy. Now, how does it work? Well, as the name suggests, AI is artificial intelligence, and what you will do is, from what you can see on this tidbit here, you will enter your business or product name, describe what your business or product is about. Now, what you need to do is ensure that you give good descriptions about what your business or product is about. Why? The AI, the software, the artificial intelligence is going to take that information and generate a bunch of text, of copy, of descriptions, of things you can say on your website or about your product that will grab your customers, viewers, etc. So you simply select a type of copy. So you choose from headlines, blog intros, product descriptions, and so much more. Okay? So it's preset. You pick from one of those categories. Then, again, as I've said, you enter the name of your company and 1 to 2 sentences on what you do or what your product does or what your video or content is about. Then when you press the button, you'll get 10 results at a time. So as we've seen here, you will see your results looking like this. Okay? And you can ask or assign that or request that your AI produce more. So if what you're seeing isn't enough, you can ask it over and over again to generate fresh content, okay, until you find something that works. And so if you're a video creator, you are like I said, an e-commerce store owner, you have products, services, and so on, then this is a tool that you need to have in your arsenal to be able to generate copy for free right, at request, upon request. Okay, now there is a 7-day free 7-day trial. After that, it's paid. The thing is, to do this 7-day trial, you don't need to enter your credit card information, and so if it's not to your liking, forget about it. Alright, so you can create digital ad copy for Facebook ads, Google ads, LinkedIn ads. You can do social media content, so captions, Instagram posts, brainstorm topics. You can also do website copy, hero text, subheaders, meta descriptions, e-commerce copy, product descriptions, product benefits, micro copy, blog content. You can do blog titles, ideas, outlines, blog intros, bullet points to full blog. Sales copy, pain, agitate, solution. So an example is someone saying, do you know that pesky pain in the back of your neck? Well, there's an amazing product that will get that knot right out of your neck. Just use whatever the product, whatever the name of the product is. So pain, agitate, solution. Okay. Now, before, after, bridge, and attention, interest, desire, action. Those combinations. So, these 3 are actually videos that were posted on TikTok that show what Copy.ai can do, people promoting it and people sharing how they've used it. Alright. This is Jacob from jacobmcmillan.com. That's his website. And he says brainstorming ideas and playing around with language and phrasing has always been a time-consuming part of my work as a copywriter. So he's a copywriter and he uses it. Copy.ai now does most of that for me in 30 seconds. It's the 10-time writing productivity tool I never knew I needed. And you probably didn't know you needed it either. So start your free trial today. 7 days free. No credit card required for free account. Unlimited access for 7 days. 70 plus tools to explore. Thanks so much for watching, guys. That's it for this video. If you are a content creator, you should definitely take a look at using this tool. And if you are a content creator trying to make it work and it's working, but you'd rather you want to do something that's more automated, then you can check the links in the description below that share how you can start your own online business that can take you to 6 figures and beyond. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and thanks so much for subscribing, liking the video, hitting the notification bell, commenting and sharing this video with everyone you think could use this tool. Guys, this is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.